Hey everyone, it's JoJo, and today I am unboxing Beyblade Metal Masters Nightmare Rex. Alright, so this came with the Nintendo DS game, the Metal Masters DS game, but they made a single pack of it now, so you don't have to buy the game anymore, just for the Beyblade. Alright, so anyway, here's the front of the box. Nightmare Rex. SW145SD. It's a balance type. You can see the WBBA sticker. There's a code inside. The color is different from the Takara Tomy version. And here's the back if you want to look at the stats and all that. Okay, so let's just unbox this. If you're wondering where I got this at Target. I live in Southern California. You know, a lot of people ask me which one. So yeah, I might give you an idea. So the box is empty. Let's just give away the code right now. Nightmare Rex. It's like a fossilized dinosaur. Okay, so that's it. So here is the launcher and the ripcord. Orange. Okay, color, very orange. Alright, instruction booklet. I don't think we need to go over that. And here are the stickers. Lots of stickers. It looks pretty cool. Alright, so onto the Beyblade. Alright, so first here is the facebolt. It's yellow, but it's kind of like a dull yellow. It's not really shiny. There is Rex. I think it says Rex at the top. Maybe. But it looks all blotched out, but I don't know. Could be, could be not. And here is the energy ring, or the clear wheel. You see the dinosaur head right there? It comes down like it's back, and it just kind of repeats itself right there. And the Nightmare wheel, looks different than the Takara Tomy one. This is very, very dull. It's not shiny like a regular metal wheel. It's kind of more of a, on the, I guess, I don't know. It's kind of gray instead of silver. And it kind of looks sandy, like it has that grainy feel, or grainy look. It's different, but still could be the same. So it kind of reminds me, I've said this before, it reminds me of a ray wheel or a storm wheel put together. Okay. And SW145, same color as the facebolt. You could switch the modes. It doesn't feel secure. It doesn't feel tight. Like it feels like it could just come off easily. Oops. Yeah, it doesn't really feel secure. Like it doesn't lock very well, but it's okay, I guess. And SD, same yellow color, semi-defense. It is reinforced right there and right here. Okay, so I guess that's about it. Let's put this Beyblade together. And I don't think I showed you the tool. It fell. It's right here. Okay. So yeah. The Takara Tomy version actually had different parts. The track and the bottom were different. The track was a SW145 and the bottom, the tip, was an EWD, which are the same parts that come with Killer Bee Fowl or Evil Befall. Alright, so there you have it, Nightmare Rex, SW145SD. Pretty cool looking Beyblade. Alright, so that is the end of this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more unboxings and battles and all that good stuff. Alright, I'll see you next time.